fuck going on, Willis?
GCI, and that shit gon' fall. Rather die than my bitch till it's tone.
You gonna say them? You gonna say something or not?
I already said we were gonna get ready to take it out.
You gotta tell him that he's a mechanic.
Yeah,
He's a pro shop.
this is the mechanic. His name in Spanish is Maso. Yeah, boy.
Master.
He's a teacher.
He the one to know. He was the one about to rebuild the engine.
Yes, sir.
Sir, ready to come out.
Cheque que no vaya algo ahí, unos cables enredados por el estilo.
Big ass engine, bro. They're taking the engine out so they can rebuild it. They're gonna change the crankshaft.
This is the first one. Without even taking the front out, he's taking the engine out.
Ew.
To all you people out there, you take the front end. This is how you do it. Pro shop.
Pro shop. He didn't even take the
You
bumper
didn't even
out.
take the bumper out.
Or
not
the
even
lights.
grill, not even the lights.
Ew.
Están por ahí.
Hey, Marico.
Supuestamente le sacan todo el frente, ¿va?
Yep.
Sí, todo el frente le quitan. Por eso le
All
dice
you
Luis.
people is out.
Por eso le dice Luis que ni quitó el coso del frente. y
They
este-
go not even. I think he took the not even the radiator.
No, not even the radiator.
Yeah, no, he took the radiator off.
Un poquito más.
He took
There
the
you go.
radiator off, and then he took the front end.
That's it right
That's
there.
it. This is the rev up.
Yeah, rev up engine.
Pues con el aceitito que se va escurriendo ya.
There you go.
Yeah, he about to take the seal off,
About to drain it out.
drain it out. Check out the engine. Check out the inside, bro.
The engine, bro. Hold on, bro. Look at that. Damn, bro.
Oh, lo que quiero enseñarles es esto, mire, ve.
Uh-huh.
Mire, ve. Mira, ve qué problema aquí, ve. Mire, ve. Mire,
Shit.
los harness, los reventados, ve.
Mm-hmm.
Van para el speed sensor, transmisión, no marca velocidad. Y miren los oxygen sensor que van allá, ve.
Mm-hmm. Está
Reventados.
reventado.
Por eso es que se le apagaba.
Mm-hmm.
El speed sensor no está activado. Luego
That one's ripped off.
vamos a cambiar los sensores de oxígeno, nuevos.
Está reventado.
The O2
O2
sensor
It was ripped.
it was ripped. And the speed tester was
The speedometer
speedometer thing is ripped. Yeah.
Ripped.
Draining the oil first time.
Ah, mira. Tan-
Lo cambiaron,
Sí, no.
creyendo que era eso. Se ve que el cárter se lo quitaron, ¿no? Es reciente. Viendo, lo quitaron para ver qué estaba pasando adentro y luego lo cerraron para atrás.
They took something out and then they changed it, put it back in.
Solo lo vieron y
With the oil being changed, bruh, out of the motor.
You always remember, hit us up. Hit us up if you want your mechanic be done right.
Yeah, bruh, he didn't even take the bumper off, bruh.
If you want your stuff to be done right, hit us up.
Yeah, hit Maso up, bruh, for real. Ya lo vamos a hacer famoso, ya lo vamos a hacer famoso, pues. Damn, boy. He had this ready to go.
You guys ready to go?
Ready to go just to come out. Estos sensores también va.
esos estos buenos. Los de acá, los de abajo, como usan 4.
Pero aquí está reventado.
¿Está reventado?
Sí, está
Yo lo puedo
reventado.
reparar ese.
Oh, lo puede
ok.
reparar.
Con los estaños los sueldo y luego
Ah, bueno.
para que no los compren, son originales esos. Los de atrás sí, ellos sí van a ocupar nuevos.
¿Y este cómo está? El
Clutch,
clutch?
lo vas a ver cuando lo quite.
Oh, okay.
See, look,
Em,
just a little bit rusty
Yeah.
or dirty.
luego
Yeah, he's gonna take the whole engine apart.
You're gonna take that whole engine. You're
The
gonna
whole
open it.
engine apart.
You're gonna open
Piece
it.
by piece. Everything's gonna come out. He's gonna check the
the timing belt. We're gonna check the pistons, chain. We're just gonna change the rings, the bearings. Yeah,
We're gonna check everything. Make sure to see if everything is working good.
And then put it back together.
And then
with
we're
new
gonna put it
parts.
back together. We're gonna have a video of that too. And for safety reasons, we got the mask on. You know what I'm saying?
Little Rona,
Yeah, the good Corona. You know what I'm saying? It's for us to be safe and him to be safe.
Yes, sir.
So everybody's safe.
Yes, sir. Doesn't look too bad.
Nope. But I'm excited and happy about it because this engine is out.
Yeah.
The car has been sitting for about a month now.
Yeah, in our shop.
And our
in our place.
And our place has been sitting for a month.
But you bought it and it was sitting for a year, he said.
Yep.
Year or more.
Ya que está desarmado, ya está.
Es la bearing, ¿no?
Si la bearing del clutch. Sí, the bearing del clutch, ese está en la parte de ellos.
Bearing the clutch, gotta
Pero y
change
eso
it
así
out.
que tiene como dust, que tiene como sucio, así como polvo.
Desgaste del disco.
Pero eso es normal.
Fibra de lo que ha trabajado, pero a veces no significa que está malo.
For all you folks out there, he didn't even take the interior out. He didn't even do the
Ese
interior.
polvito viene siendo como el de que hace los frenos.
See that?
can't
The
see it,
interior is
can't
still
see
in
it.
there.
Yeah, you can see it a little bit through here. That's mainly when they do the transmission though.
Yep. No, but some people
Take the top
the
off.
whole thing out.
And they take the
They
top
take the
off.
transmission, and then take the motor
Yeah.
with it together.
Now he just took the engine out.
He just took the engine out. That's the professional way to do it. If you know what you're doing.
If you know what you're doing, man.
If you
Yes,
know
sir.
what you're doing,
Yes, sir.
that'll be the professional way to do it.
Yes, sir.
The lines and everything is in there. The hoses and the cables
Harness.
and everything is in there.
Oh,
This car's gonna be running smooth.
Yeah. Hopefully.
Hopefully, this is gonna be running smooth.
Yeah.
hacía solvente, sin usar nada.
Yeah.
See him, man.
Sí.
Good to
We're gonna
be
put
in.
the video before and after. We're gonna put the video before and after how it sound and then how it's gonna sound when it's all done.
We make another video when the engine is open.
Yep. Yeah, we are. We're about to make another video. He just tested and see if stuff
Yeah, he's just checking everything
Yep.
out.
Check out that one too right there.
Oh yeah. Check that one out, boy. Yes, and that be mine's, baby.
Say something here. This be my car right here. I got a little exhaust mod that I did, but I didn't record it. I got some coilovers installed. Painted the diffuser on the back. Yeah. And then I'm getting a new trunk. So I'm gonna be making a video for that too.
He be getting a new trunk soon.
Yeah.
He be getting
We get new wheels soon.
new
too.
wheels.
New
The
wheels and
diffuser
tires.
in the back, he be getting that too.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Where's that at? Where's
Yeah,
the
that
diffuser?
one's in Poland, bro.
The one was in Poland.
That one's gonna come up like that. Hug all this. It's gonna look good. Yes, sir.
Yep.
Slowly
Another
but
project.
surely. The only two cars.
Brother
in,
got one.
the only two cars in town.
Yeah, the only two cars in town, and then I got one. Yep. We drove 2 days to get this car.
It looks so empty. Looks so empty and so lonely up in here.
Ese es el flywheel, ¿va?
Hay que ponerlo nuevo,
Shoot.
para que le quede con más
Nuevo.
nuevo. Está menos de la mitad de vida.
Flywheel.
Sí aguanta, pero aproveche ya que está desarmado. ¿Qué tal que de aquí a un año no es caro eso?
Ese es el clutch, ¿va? El,
Sí.
el
Yep.
clutch.
El disco,
Clutch
He's saying he has half a life. He telling me to change it while I'm at the engine is open,
Yeah.
which is, I think is a good idea. So if I'm rebuilding the engine,
Nissan, bro.
yep. If I'm rebuilding the engine,
Yeah. Might as well.
might
change
as well
it.
do it. You know, have everything brand new,
Yeah.
OEM, original. Take a
Might-
shot of that.
Might as well change it, bro.
Like I said, if you know what you're doing and you come to the right place, They'll tell you what you buy.
Yeah, cause
So
I don't know.
You can tell on this one it's like peeling off, coming off. It's got a lot of roughness in the surface. A lot of scratches.
They didn't know what they was driving.
Yeah, whoever was driving it didn't know how to shift.
Yeah, it shifted like a granny.
Yeah,
Come on,
shifted like a
faster than
granny.
Furious.
Yeah, that's why they messed it up. But there you go. Nissan.
Yes, sir.
Hey, yeah, you know what I'm saying. You want your car done, you gotta get dirty. He's saying that one is good. He's just gonna polish it a little bit,
Yeah, clean it up.
polish it, and then he says I gotta buy this one.
Yeah, buy the
This
new
one,
replacement.
this one is.
That one's rough.
This is done.
Rough.
This is done for the day. We gotta see how much that one is. Yup. You can tell this car has been sitting for a while.
Yeah, been
Look at that.
spider webs. and
Spider
stuff.
webs. You know what I'm saying? It's just been sitting for a while.
It needs a little bit of love.
Yeah. Which I'm gonna give it to
A
him.
little bit
A
of
little bit of
love.
love. You know what I'm saying? Clean it up.
Yeah, we're trying to save the engine. Cause they're expensive.
Oh yeah.
Expensive. They're like 3,000.
Well, it's because of the rev up.
Yeah, the rev up engine.
That's why it's expensive. More than just a regular automatic engine.
Yeah, expensive.
Because the automatic engine just goes for like 1700,
Mhm.
and this one to go like for like 3,000.
Yeah, 3,000. 3,000 or more plus shipping.
3,000 plus shipping, and then plus tax and all that stuff.
Yeah.
So I might as well rebuild the engine, because if I buy the other engine, you don't know what's
What's wrong with it?
and might as well just rebuild this one and make sure I'm doing the right thing, and he knows that he's doing the right thing.
Yeah, boy.
You know. But like we said, we're gonna make another video
Yeah, we're gonna
while
make
he's
another.
opening the engine.
Yeah, we're gonna make another video when the
Hopefully
engine
you
is open.
support, you know,
Yeah.
support us.
Yeah,
Make sure
hopefully.
you subscribe and like.
Yeah, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Leave a comment,
Leave a comment.
and we're gonna leave his information down below too.
He's gonna leave his information on the description too.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
wherever if you're in the area, you know us in the Plymouth area,
Yeah.
and you watch this video, you wanted something done in your car, make sure you hit him up.
Yeah,
We're
yeah.
gonna leave his phone
Yeah.
and stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. We'll catch you in the next video, bruh, when the engine is open.